Hi, boy oh boy do I got a good one here for you today. It is a steak stuffed French bread. Nice and cheesy and oh so good. I'm going to pan you down and you can watch all the steps. So you just need a loaf of French bread of your choice and some canola oil for your pan, and a pound of beef steak and strips. I'm using minute steak, I guess it's called, steakums, and garlic and soy sauce, sriracha if you'd want, Worcestershire sauce, fresh ginger, ketchup, mozzarella, and provolone. So come on down and I'm gonna put the camera down for you. Okay, here I have an everything French bread that I bought from the store. You want to take off about 1/3 around the top. You want to leave about 1/2 inch. So let's see what we can come up with here. Cut it like this, because you're going to stuff it inside with the cheese and the meat. Here, I just hit the leg and boom, the camera went flying. I got it cut all around, I believe. Let's see here. Try not to hit the leg this time. We'll be doing good. Just like this. I don't have a really big counter. Okay, we're not going to throw this away. I'm going to do something with it. Who knows what? With me, you never know. So we're just going to take that off like that. It's going to take a little more off right here. Not a whole lot, but yeah. I want some stuffing in there. Maybe just a little bit. Just like that. Clean it up just a little bit. Okay, we're going to take that much out. Now we're going to go over to the stove and we're going to cook the steakums. And then I will keep showing you the steps as I go. Okay, here's what I got right here. It says 100% sandwich steaks, chopped, I'm looking backwards here, shaped, thinly sliced. This is what I'm using. So here we go. Okay, here we go. They're starting to cook. I got about 1/2 pound in here. There was 1 pound in the box, so I just halved it. It called for 1/2 pound. We're just going to cook it up like this. Just trying to find something that I can pick up easy with. I don't know if anybody's ever had these before, but if you have, put it in the comments below. And if you haven't, put it in the comments below. So this is the step, and I'm going to cook all this up. Cooks wicked fast. I can't believe how fast it is cooking. So I'll bring you back when it's all cooked up and we'll go to the next step. Okay, I've got it cooked nice and brown. I put a few more pieces in because I didn't think it looked like it was enough. So now you want to put the garlic in. And these are the garlic cloves minced. And you want to put them in and just kind of stir them around for about 30 seconds. Or somewhere in that range, just like that. And we'll give them a stir around. That will just put a little infusion and make everything taste better and incorporate it all in, just like that. We got some other yummy ingredients coming in as well. And it calls for sriracha sauce, but Ray doesn't like it. I do. I like everything hot, but he does not, so we won't be using that. So the next thing we're gonna put in is, let's see, got my list here. We got the garlic, and we're gonna do the ginger. Just like this, we're gonna put the ginger in. And we'll just stir it around here for a little bit. I got it on low, just cooking real soft. And we've got some soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, and we've got some ketchup. And the recipe will be in the description box below. Everything will be in the description box below. So check it out on all my videos. That's what I normally do. And we had a little spill here of some soy sauce, so no problem. Nothing that can't be used, can't be wasteful in these times. Okay, and what we're gonna do, we're just gonna incorporate it all. And I'm letting it cook on slow here. Just let all those goodness flavors just incorporate it in here. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the bread, and then we're gonna top it off with some yummy cheeses. Then we're gonna put it in the oven, let it melt, and then we're gonna put it on broil for just a few minutes. We're gonna be using provolone cheese, and we're going to be using mozzarella cheese. So I'll bring you back in about 5 minutes. Okay, had this in the warming oven. Mr. R should be coming home shortly. Hopefully I can steam up everything. But, oh, doesn't that look good? Smells even better. Here's everything right here. So we're going to put the beef mixture into the French bread right now. Just take it like this, and we're just gonna put it right in. Oh gosh, that ginger and garlic. Last time I had a Philly sandwich, I actually was in Philadelphia at the airport. And they use the same stuff I'm using right now. They use steakums. And I said, what? We're in Philly, you're using steakums? They said, yes, ma'am. So I said, that was interesting. So everything's smelling really good. Let me put these in the sink here. Got just a little bit more. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put cheese on it. We're gonna let the cheese melt. Once the cheese melts, you're going to turn the broiler on for about a minute, but watch it real close because you only want the cheese to start browning a little bit. You don't want it to brown too much. So there you go right there. There's the cheese mixture in. Then we're going to take provolone cheese. Let's see, do I want that? You know me, always switching up. I think mozzarella would lay better on the bottom. So they say about a cup, and this is 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Your choice, always your choice. I make things with a Grammie twist. There you have it right there. And that's just about a cup. That's a Grammie's cup right there. Then we're gonna lay the provolone cheese right on. Just like that. We're just gonna be generous with it. Just like that. Okay, so this is going in an oven at 350 until the cheese melts, and I will bring you back. Don't go too far, supper's almost ready. Okay, there you have it. Look at all that melted cheese, nice and yummy. Now it's going back in the oven and I'm gonna put it on broil, and I'm gonna watch it very, very closely. There you go, guys. Finally, I thought it was never gonna burn. To get the cheese nice and brown, the crust got a little brown because of all the dried seeds and stuff that was on it. It looks really, really good. Now I am going to cut this if I can because it's so darn hot. Yeah, hot, hot, hot. And I'm going to show you this end if I can. Look at that. That looks some good. And here's this end right here. And I'm going to plate it up, and then I'm going to bring you back and look at the end, and I'll show you what it's going to look like. Please give me thumbs up, share my videos. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Peace, love, and have patience. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.